She don't wanna talk, she wanna slide through. Tell the truth, wanted something I could vibe to. When you're with me, I ain't thinking about what I do. And he ain't me, he ain't loving you like I do.
How's it going, guys? It's Hayden. Wanted to shoot a quick day in the life video for you guys so you can see exactly how I get everything going here. Now, I already fucked up on this day in the life video because honestly, went on a run this morning at 4 a.m. with my brother. We do that every single Friday just to get the day going, make the Friday a little better. So I forgot to film that, apologize. And here we are now, I'm back at the house. I'm gonna go ahead and make some coffee and get going on work pretty early so I can get an early start before I have all my meetings and stuff later today. So you're gonna see how a multiple six-figure agency runs, as well as me working in another agency. So I'm partnering up with my buddy Stevie, doing part-time consulting for his company, working as a product developer, helping them, develop their product to the best of their ability. So you're gonna see the whole layout of how my day is gonna work, and yeah, super excited and love starting my mornings like this, right? Just to fuck with all the neighbors. Woo! This is beautiful. I'm out here in San Diego, California. If anyone was wondering, give you guys a quick house tour because why not? So here we are, little living room set up. If I switch this thing around, there's my surfboard, prized possession. Thing's freaking sick. This is Greg Knoll. If any of you guys are surfers, you know who that is. If not, look him up, just figure it out. Here's my little office. Cool, right? Very simple. Then we got my kitchen over here. We got a little modern Asian vibe going on. It's pretty fucking trick. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I don't want to show you guys the rest of the bedrooms because, that's where the magic happens. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next section. So here we have, I use this little app called, it's an app for your Mac. It's called To-Do List. I just like the organization of it. So I lay out my days either in the morning or the night before here. I also lay out my weeks and everything like that too. But in terms of the day, this is what it looks like. So 4 a.m. run this morning with my brother, a little 5-miler, check. YouTube video intro, check. Plan day, check. Now I'm on the Slack reminder SOP for my scheduling team. Essentially what I'm gonna do here is build out an automation through Zapier to push every single time before an appointment is supposed to come in, let's say the day of. It's gonna send a message to the scheduler who's in charge of making sure that person shows up to the business. And they're gonna go ahead and call them. So they're gonna get that Slack notification saying, hey, call this lead, or call this booked appointment to make sure that they're confirmed and that they're gonna actually show up. So that's what I'm building out now. And then I have to finish a client's website. I'm doing a custom website build for a client. Then I have meetings with Stevie's team with Digital Ox, which is a new venture that I'm working on with him and his company, helping their product grow. Then I have a reactivation campaign I got to make for his team. Then I am training my virtual assistant. I have a new personal assistant. Then I'm going to hit the gym. Then I have a account management meeting with my entire account management team to make sure that they're on track for their KPIs and everything like that. Then I have a meeting with Skin Deep for the website that I was building. Then I have a marketing team meeting going over all the cost per leads, making sure we're hitting our numbers, KPI tracking again. And then I have a final call with a client. So that is what my day looks like today. Super excited. And yeah, keep watching for more. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. Cheers.
Trippin', already know how it is. Yeah, I know how. Shawty so bad, but she's so wild. I've been getting racks for a long while. Every single show, know it's sold out. Yeah, we hit the gas, shawty pump on the brakes. We living fast, why she wanna come my way? I know you tired of your ex, here late.
Alrighty guys, so I just finished my big morning work block, and now I'm gonna make some coffee. If you know anything about me, love my coffee, like I said, espresso, pretty fucking sick. So I'm gonna get this going, I'm gonna make myself coffee, and then I have a meeting in 5 minutes, team meeting. So I'm gonna put you guys on that. I'll show you how that is running as well. And yeah, I'm gonna get back to my tasks and my to-do list. Created a really cool SOP for the scheduling team, direct notification to Slack every time one day before the booked appointment, before the lead is actually supposed to show up, so that our schedulers can call them and increase our show up rate, because right now our main goal is increasing our show up rate, trying to get to like 85%, which is really good. So that's what we're working on now. And yeah, I'm gonna make myself coffee.
Summertime, I'm in LA. Life's great, can't complain. I'm getting paid. Honey's all at the beach, like, are you on your way? No, I'm sipping a 40, I'm 40 minutes late.
Yeah, so add that and the number of clients, and then just do it once, and then Kay, this will be really good for you to roll out with Patty because you have knowledge of like the scheduling department and what's going on. So after Carla makes those changes, Carla, let me know because you have to update the snapshot in the back end. So I can show you. So it's actually very simple. Let's say I edit the template, which is the MBO program template. And I'll quickly record this.
Recording in progress.
So if I edit anything in the MBO program template, it's not going to update to the snapshot unless I refresh the snapshot. So for example, let's say I go into the main workflows and I update this workflow, which this is the workflow, appointment reminder is March. Let's say I update this. The next thing I want to do after I update this is switch to the agency view, go to settings, go to snapshot, go to the MBO program snapshot, which is the second one, and you're gonna click refresh, that's it. And now it loads everything new into that snapshot. So when Patty goes to push it, now everything is refreshed and it's the most recent version.
Are you sure that's like the easy mode?
I don't think, I've never even been on this site, to be honest. Alright, what's going on, guys? Just a quick update here. So, today went pretty well. We're still, it's only 11 o'clock. Got up at 4 a.m. this morning, went on a run with my brother. We try to do that every single Friday. Just as like kind of a weekend send off, a week recap. Try to hit a good old 5-mile run every single Friday, and it's been working out, especially for productivity. Like getting that run done super early in the morning, 4 a.m. just opens up your whole day. Start working around like 5, getting everything going, and yeah, it just helps out tremendously. Like typically I wouldn't recommend getting up at 4 a.m. Like I wouldn't really do it. I feel like if I didn't have a partner in terms of to run it with, he works on the shipyards, so you know he starts work at like 5:30 in the morning. He's got to be there. Oh shit. Like 5:30 in the morning he's got to be there. So that being said, like that's the reason why we do it, is because he's got to get up early, he's got to get after it. Same here. So I mean, typically, wow, this is a process with this camera over here, but typically how I normally work is I get up around like 5:30, go work out, go do something, and then get to work at like, I don't know, 6:30, 7. That's typically how I do it. Some people can just get right to work. For me, I gotta get my body moving first, so I always recommend a workout before sitting down at the computer all day, because shit gets to you. And I even recommend, you know, getting out of the house again to get another workout done. And that's what I'm doing right now, midday. I don't always do like 2 workouts, but I'll at least try to get out of the house, maybe go for a walk, something like that. I do try to surf in the mornings too. I haven't been in like 2 weeks because I kind of busted my ankle, but yeah, that's usually the process. So right now I'm heading to the gym. Should be there in about 10 minutes, and then I got some more meetings coming up after that around 1:30. So if you guys want to take some advice here on structuring your day, if you do run an agency, or you're trying to run an agency, or you're just trying to get better in terms of your productivity, what I highly recommend is getting up fucking early. Like, I know it sucks probably in the beginning, but just fucking get up, get after it, and get all your important shit done in the beginning. So there's this saying, is when you do hard things, when you put your body through stress, such as like a long run in the morning or a long workout in the morning, everything gets a little bit easier. Things that come up, clients like bitching at you, like complaining, saying things, like, you know, things that come up, maybe like fires within the company, there's problems, your Facebook ad account gets shut down, something happens, right? And it's really important to put your body through stress, through a hard time early in the morning, not mentally, but physically, because everything just gets easier. It's the same thing with meditation. It's the same thing with going on long runs. Those are hard things on the body. They're hard things mentally too, but they pretty much just make everything easier. So all that tangent being said, you know, just get up and get after it. And like you should know in the back of your head, like you should be getting up early. We're wired to get up, you know, as the sun comes up, and if you can get up before that, even better. So if you're not doing that now, put that in place because you're slacking. But anyways, I'll see you guys when I get to the gym, and yeah, see you guys shortly. All right, what's going on, guys? Hayden here, about to go get a quick gym workout in. Probably around like 45 minutes. Then I got to get back to a meeting that I have at 1 o'clock, so I got to make this pretty quick. I would take you guys in there and show you my workouts. However, I'm not a gym bro, and I'm not going to be that guy. I'm just going to let you know right now. I'm not going to be that guy who films inside the gym. That's just not me. So yeah, take it as you want it. Anyhow, I will see you guys in a little bit in the next part of the video. So cheers, peace out, peace and pot. Just hit the gym, just got back. It's about 12:30. Did a really good pull-up, push-up, squat exercise. If you guys want to do it, like I said, I'm not gonna film myself in the gym. All right, I'll tell you guys what I did. So you go up to 7 pull-ups. So you do 1, 2, 3. So basically, it's 1 pull-up, 2 push-ups, 3 squats with weighted squats with like a medicine ball, something heavy. I think it was like I was using like a 35-pounder or something like that. So you do 1 pull-up, 2 push-ups, 3 squats. Then you do 2. So then you do 2 pull-ups, 4 push-ups, 6 squats, right? And you just keep going up to 7, and then you go back down from 7. So depends how hard you want to work out, but that workout's really good. You can do it quick if needed, and it's super good back, shoulder, bicep, leg workout really quick. And it's all up to you in terms of speed, so you can get a really quick, really good workout and just be gassed after really quick. So definitely try that one out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys got any questions, let me know. But I'm about to walk into Trader Joe's. I'm about to park and walk in, get some groceries, put those in the fridge before my meeting at 1. So I'm on a quick timeline here. So I'm gonna end this video a little short and park. And yeah, see you guys soon. Peace.